Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bukomi. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, I talk about everything passive income, different ways to make money online, and all that great stuff. So if that's why you're here, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on bell notification just beside it so you know when I drop another video. So guys, in this video, I have something very juicy and very amazing for you. So you want to stay tuned till the end of this video, because if you're looking for a very easy and simple way to make money online, then that's what I'm going to be covering in this video. So you want to stay with me till the end of this video so you can actually get the juice. So I'm going to move over to my computer now and show you my screen and explain to you exactly what this business opportunity is about. So guys, the opportunity we're going to talk about in this video is how to become a social media manager. Yeah, I know a lot of people talk about it on YouTube and everywhere, becoming a social media, but it is easy and it is very quick and easy to get started with, if that's what you're looking for, of course. So I'm going to just walk you through some simple and easy tools that you can use to get started with your social media management business, and where you can also list your business so that people can find you to take the services from you. So let's get started. So the services you'll be rendering to people is basically creating their social media posts, helping them update their content on their different social media platforms, and all of that good stuff. Let's go to Canva. Canva is a graphic design, content creation, different templates website that you can use to create different content for different platforms. So you can come into Canva and look through the templates that are there. So what are you trying to create? If it's an Instagram post, you just come in here and type in Instagram. It will give you all the options. So let's say you wanted to create an Instagram post, a square post. That's the normal regular post. Then you have templates here, guys, that you can actually use and create posts to create content for your customers and your clients. Canva has loads and loads of templates to use. You can get started for free. Canva is free to use, very free to use, and you can decide to upgrade if you find out that there's some features or some templates that you would like to use that are not on the free plan. But I mean, if you want to get started today, you can actually get started for free and just come in here and just see something that appeals to you and create content using the template. So let's say, for example, you wanted to create content for, say, a food post. So I'm just gonna use the blank template and I will search for food here. Let's just say food templates, something. If your client is say a restaurant or a takeout business and you want to create posts for them, you could just come in here and just work with this template and create it, make it your own. These are different templates that you can use. I've created different videos on this channel showing you how to use different aspects of Canva, so make sure you watch the video on this channel so that you can learn more about using Canva. But this is just a quick overview to show you that there are templates inside Canva that you can actually use to start creating content for your clients. By the time you start getting clients, you actually come into Canva to start creating content like this. These are already made for you templates that you can use, quick and easy. If you can find it on the free version, you could upgrade at a very small price. I think it's like $12 per month, I think, and you can upgrade and use this template. I have a pro account on Canva because I use Canva a lot for different aspects of my business. So I think it's something worth investing in. But if you don't have any funds and you just want to get started quickly, Canva is one good place to actually get started with. Now I want to show you another hands-free, simple, easy to get started with platform that I've used and I want to share with you. So this is called Social Media Content. This is a template platform where you can actually come in here and pick any template and just make it your own and create content for your clients, and it looks like you did it yourself. So these are already made templates for you that you can import into Canva and create your content around it. So So this tool is for the innovative marketer, the frustrated social media manager, the busy make money the busy making money marketing agency. So if your business falls in any of this category and you're struggling to create content, you're struggling to create consistent content, social media, Instagram these days is where you need to be if you have a business that needs to be seen. If you have a digital business, you have a business that you need more client in, you need to be on social media and you need to be creating content. And I know how hard it can be to come up with content every day, how frustrating it can be. So if you're stuck, if you're looking for where to find content, here is an option for you to create your content fast and easy. So if you're an e-commerce owner and you don't even know how to get started with creating content on your social media platform, this is one easy template. Grab, click, just download it into your Canva and you have it easy for you to get started with. So this is another platform that can help you start your social media management business. Now, to put this in perspective, guys, I want to show you where you can list your business when you decide to start. So you don't need a website to get started. You don't need to have your own website. You can list yourself on Fiverr or Upwork or Freelancers, any of these freelancing websites. That would be a good place to start. So let's put this in perspective, guys, and see how much people are making as social media managers on Fiverr. So this is Fiverr. Now I came into Fiverr and just searched by social media manager or social media content manager, and you can see all these people are, say, I'll be your social media marketing manager. This person's got 454 reviews. I mean, these are in high demand. People are really coming to Fiverr to take people's services to be their social media manager. So look at this person. I'll be your social media manager and content creator. She's got 5-star ratings and she's got over 800 reviews. Let me just click on this person and let's see what she's offering. So you see, I'll be your social media content creator. See, she has 42 orders in queue, guys. Just to put things in perspective, so you see how much people are making with this business. So this is her basic. So she charges $225 as her basic fee to create one social media account managed through 30 posts. Account optimization and scheduling is optional. So all she would do is she'll create the content, she'll schedule posts, and that's it. $225. Now let's move to standard. Now standard is $355, guys. Are you putting this in perspective? Are you seeing what I'm trying to say here? So you can charge this amount per person, per client that you find on Fiverr that comes to take your service on Fiverr. You may not be able to get this amount of reviews immediately you're starting out, but just list yourself on Fiverr, and to make it easy for you to deliver this content to your clients and people taking your services, make sure you have a free Canva account. Then make sure you come into social media content. I'm going to put the link to this website in my description. It's going to be the first link in my description. I'll put it there. So make sure you click on that link. It will bring you to this website. Then just come in here and look at these templates, guys. Let me show you these templates. Just let me show you, so we just put things in perspective here so you can see what you can do with this. There are templates here, so you need to come in here and create an account here so that you can then come in and start grabbing these templates, import them into Canva and edit them, and you come into Fiverr and deliver it to your client. It's going to be that simple. So I'm just walking you through a journey here. If you're looking for another way to add to your income, to supplement your income, to make more money online, becoming a social media manager is another option for you. So if you're thinking about this, if you're considering this, so what you need to do is come into Fiverr, create an account with Fiverr. If you already have an account in Fiverr, create a gig telling people you would be their social media manager. Now you need to go into Canva and create a free account in Canva. Create a free account in Canva. If you want to create a template yourself, if you want to work with Canva's template, it's fine. If you are able to create the content for the 30 days for your clients in here by yourself, just going through the template and trying to piece things together. But if you want to work fast so that you can, be able to deliver orders quickly, this person has 42 orders in queue. So I'm sure she's not just going to come into Canva and start picking templates one by one. She already has something she's using that would make the work fast for her. Now, to make the work faster for you, come into social media content. The link is going to be the first one in my description. Come here, create an account for yourself, sign up, and take a look at all these templates that are here and pick something that works for your client. Now, let's explore this platform deeply. So we're going to look for templates for Instagram. So if you have a client that says, oh, I need you to create health coaching quotes for me, you have it here, guys. So this is 50 health coaching quotes. These are lifestyle quotes. So if you want to search for any niche, just come in here and type gym. Let's see what it brings out for gym. Okay, so here you have 50 gym promotion. These are promotions that you can create for your clients to get more customers. And like I said, all of these templates are editable and customizable inside of Canva. All you need is a free Canva account. Just create a free Canva account, come in here, create your account in here, and pick the template you want, edit it to your customer's liking and description, and go deliver it after creating your account in Fiverr. So that's basically the journey, guys. It's that simple to get started with. This is 50 gym codes, 50 gym questions. These are things you can work with. So let's take a look at another. Let's look at more templates. So let's say coach. Let's say you have a coach client that needs something that needs you to create content for them for their Instagram page. So you have 50 business coaching tips. Can you see that, guys? 50 business coaching challenges, 100 business coaching questions. So you can work with all of these templates. Let me open one of this so that you see how it comes. So can you see how that is? See how it looks? So they come in this format. You can actually edit them, move them around, and just make it your own. You see that? So that's basically how you can actually become a social media manager, quick and easy, and another way to add more income into your business and just to have more money to do whatever it is you want to do with money. So that is what I wanted to share with you in this video, guys. I hope you found it useful. I think this is a great business that anyone can get started with. You don't need any tech skills, you don't need any technical ability to be able to do this and piece this together. It's simple, it's easy. I'll leave a link to Canva in my description. I'll leave a link to this website also, the social media content website. I'm going to leave a link in my description. And that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, guys. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so that I can keep more content coming. And please turn on the bell notification just beside the subscribe button so you know when I drop another video. Thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Thank you for staying with me till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.